Get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun and do something, if you wanna have fun and do something, get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun and do something, if you wanna have fun and do something, walk in the club.
Yeah, on Thursday night? I'm not gonna play pool. I just wanna go to the bank with my boys. That's all. We don't wanna go to Felt, we don't wanna play pool. Like, we know what we wanna do. We wanna find beautiful women and just have a good time. Oh, I might do it. I might do it. Might bust out the red joint. That's how you know it's gonna be a good night.
Me, Mike, and Foley wanna have a fun guys' night out.
It's MVP nights, huh?
I got the Fresh to Death kicks on. Me too. I got some jeans on. And I got the shirt. But I ain't wearing the shirt when we go out. Just the shirt before the shirt.
Yeah. Hey, Vinny knows the deal.
We even got Vinny on the shirt. Vinny is even on the shirt before the shirt.
We have an abundance of wife beaters. They're white or black tank tops, and we wear them before we go out.
It's t-shirt time, Foley.
You sure?
We sit on the couch with our tank top until it's t-shirt time.
T-shirt time.
Right before we go out, we take off the tank, and then we put on our fresh shirt. Snooks. Purple? Purple? Or yellow? Purple?
Purple.
Who are you talking to? Purple. Yeah, let's go.
Ronnie is at the club hooking up with Grenades. Okay, that is a bigger ugly chick. And then also Landmines, which is a thin ugly chick. And Love and Life. His name is Ronnie, but you probably can call him Sloppy Joe.
Tell Vinny what's up. They're both in that room and then two in this room. What are we gonna do? This is a situation. It's a situation right now. Yeah, one's a grenade. What do you want to do?
We have to pick 3 for each one of us, and the grenades go to sleep or something like that.
Put this up with this. You two go in that room. I'll go in that room, and I will extract the hot one and leave the grenade to blow up in Ronnie's room by yourself. You guys will be in that room with the lights off.
Get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have fun and do something, if you wanna have fun and do something, get crazy, get wild, let's party, get loud. If you wanna have